Hi, this is Yamagaha. We're taking a look at the final exam, problem number 1, where we are given two strings that can potentially be empty, S1 and S2, and we'd like to lace these strings together by successively alternating each element of each string, starting with the first character of S1 and then going to the first character of S2. If one string is longer than the other, the remaining elements of the longer string can just be added to the end of the new string. For example, if we lace A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H, I, we would get the string A, E, B, F, C, G, D, H, and then just I, because E, F, G, H, I is one character longer, so you can just throw that I on the end. And then we want to write an iterative procedure called lace strings, which takes in a string 1 and string 2. And we want to show our test results using A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and E, F, G, H, I, and A, B, C, D. So actually, I don't need these right here, so I can take that out. So we have our function lace strings, which takes in two strings, obviously. I'm going to create a new string called lace, and then start a count variable. So while true, if the length of the string 1 is greater than count, then I just want to add the whatever element is at count of string 1 to the lace. Next, I want to add on the first character, or sorry, okay. Let's start at 0. So for count is 0, um, we want to add on the first character of the first string. If count is still at 0, we're going to add on the first character of the second string, and then we're going to check to see if length of string 1 and string 2 is less than count, and if it is, then we want to break from it. And we want to increase count by 1 each time. We go through the while loop, obviously. And then we do this over and over and over again. Eventually, one of the strings will be longer than the other, and it will, let's say string 1 is longer, string 1 will add a character, and then this if statement will be checked, and the second string is shorter, and it's already used all of its characters, so this if statement won't be met, and so we don't have to worry about adding on any more characters from the second string. And then once count is greater than both of them, we just break out and we're done. So if we want to run it, we can see the first case is ABCD as string 1, and the second case is EFGHI as string 2. We get AE, BF, CG, DH, and then throw the I on the end, and then we swap those around. String 1 is now longer at EFGHI. Second string is shorter at ABCD. Now we get EA, FB, GC, HD, and then throw the I on. So everything acts as we expect it to, so that is fantastic. And I will see you guys back in 1 second to go over problem 2.